awfully bubbly. Okay, listen to this. It happens right when I turn it all the way against the knuckle. Right there, did you hear that? Do that again. All right, so here's my setup. Having trouble bleeding this truck. And so I've taken the two return lines, one from the brake booster and one from the power steering pump. And I'm putting them directly into this holding container here. And then I have fresh Mercon 5 transmission fluid in this funnel up here directly into the power steering reservoir. So, so basically breaking the continuous flow. So I'm going to start the truck up and see if I can get this blood. I'm gonna let those bubbles work their way out before I start it up again. Okay, sorry about my voice. I'm gonna show you the holy crap. I'm gonna show you the view from inside the cab. I am turning the steering wheel from lock to lock as I was before. It appears to be expelling the trapped air. But unfortunately, it doesn't ever appear to finish bleeding. Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is a 2003 F350 diesel 4-wheel drive Super Duty truck, and if you saw any of the last videos, you saw that we had changed the power steering pump in here and we couldn't get the truck bled. So one of the viewers commented and said, well, you need to suction out all the air in order to bleed these correctly. So I picked up this Mityvac Silverline Elite Automotive Kit vacuum here, along with a power steering adapter kit. So we're gonna put this on this truck and we're gonna see if we can bleed the power steering pump on here. I've still got a lot of bubbles in this thing and it makes a lot of noise going down the road. I've driven it probably 1,000 miles. Doesn't seem to help. So let's dive in here and see if this kit will work. This thing always gets stuck. Normally when I can pull on one side of this hood, it'll get it up enough where I can get my fingers under here. So it's not working today for some reason. That's it. I just gotta fix that cable, I guess. There we go. Try out this. Oh, that might work. Yeah, it fits nice and snug. All right. All right, I think that's it. All right, I'm hoping there's this is all sealed pretty well. So I got the wheels jacked up off the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and pressurize this system. All right, so now, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to go. Turn it on vacuum. All right, so what's it on right now?
Right about 10.
All right, get it up to 15. And I'm gonna move these tires in here. See if we can get any stuff coming out.
All right, we at 10. I mean 15.
You got 15?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is liquid supposed to shoot up in this?
Yeah. Is there?
No.
Well, hopefully.
It's going down though. Oh, it's going up, down. Whoa.
Is it?
Now it's going up, down, down, up, down. Oh, that's cool. As you rotate the wheel, it changes. Now we're at 10 about.
All right, so give me some more pressure. Or some more vacuum.
Oh wait, it's going back up slowly.
I think we can go up to like 18 to.
That's about 13.
I think we can probably almost go up to 25. I can't remember. You just gotta be careful not to go too high. Oh, liquid's coming out now.
Oh yeah. I'm about 15. It's like
So here's what the gauge looks like. I'm getting this between 15 and 20 psi. Let's crank this all the way down to 20. I'm going to just leave this right here, and then I'm going to jump in the cab and continue bleeding this the old-fashioned way. But this is what I've been doing for the past 15 minutes or so. Alright, I'm going to give this a couple more minutes and then we're going to test drive this to see if this did anything at all. I'm kind of pessimistic about this. I'm not sure it's going to work. Alright, let's start it up. Bubbles yet, but let's go take this for a drive and put it under a little load here. Maybe that whine is a little bit quieter. Well, could be that I'm hoping that it's quieter. It's usually right around 2,000 RPMs. But I'm going to gun it. It's quieter at 3,000. I slow down to 2, right there. You know, it's not as loud as it was. Sometimes it was really whiny, like it's sitting right on the firewall. Might be quieter. You know, I think it's definitely quieter. I think it would have been, you know, if you want to hear my imitation of it. It was a lot louder. But I think it's definitely quieter. It's not as quiet as the original fuel pump. Maybe it needs a little bit more bleeding. I think it's definitely better though. What you doing? Picking up sticks?
Oh, I was trying to find that one piece that was just so purple.
Look, I don't see any bubbles in here though. I can see my reflection, so that means no bubbles. That's, hey man, maybe it solved it.
That's sweet.
Yeah. So we'll find out when mom drives. She'll. Ooh, look at that. Just some. It's smelling good right there.
I want to make a pen with the purple wood.
What are you doing on the gate? Okay guys, I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out now or wait till the wife you know, tests it out, but so far I'm gonna give my stamp of approval for bleeding it that way. much better, especially, you know, a truck this size, you know, where those air pockets just got stuck in the corners of wherever they get, it was impossible to bleed without something like this. So hopefully this is the unit. This is a nice unit. This is you know, this is over $100. This was like 35 bucks and this is like 85 bucks, you know, something like that. So I didn't get the cheap. There's a one for 20 bucks on Amazon you can get. Maybe I should have got that one, do it one time and throw it away. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this again, but I don't know. That's my review of this one. It seems to work pretty good. Probably still made in China. Hopefully not. You know, I shouldn't say that. I don't know where it's made from, but anywho, it's it worked for me. So there you have it. If this helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the video out, it helps the channel out, so I appreciate it. Catch you on the next one. Pressure vacuum release.